In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n Local with Microsoft Outlook to streamline your workflow processes seamlessly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to integrate these powerful tools, enabling you to automate email tasks with ease. Let's kick things off by opening your n8n workflow. Head over to where you've set up your n8n instances and navigate to the workflow canvas to begin your integration process. This is where everything will take place, and having a clear space to work will help you manage each step without any hassle. Once you've got your n8n workflow open, the next step is to introduce the Microsoft Outlook node. On the workflow canvas, click the plus icon. This will give you the option to search for different nodes. Type in Microsoft Outlook to locate the node you need. Adding this node is crucial as it will serve as the bridge between n8n and Outlook, allowing for automatic communications and task management between the two. The next thing you'll want to do is create new credentials. Within the Microsoft Outlook node settings, look for the Credentials section. This is where you'll establish the connection between n8n and Outlook. Click on the option to create new credentials. This action is likely to open up a pop-up or a new tab, depending on your browser settings. This step is all about authentication, which is ensuring that the n8n platform gets proper access to your Outlook account securely. Now you'll move on to connecting your account. In the newly opened authentication window, you'll be prompted to log into your Microsoft Outlook account. The prompts will guide you through the authorization process clearly. Make sure to follow each step carefully to grant n8n the necessary permissions. Essentially, you are allowing en8n to access the information and functionalities of your Outlook account, which is similar to how other third-party applications work. While completing this authorization, you might encounter standard procedures just like you would with any other integration, such as agreeing to terms and maybe verifying your identity. This is all part of ensuring your data remains secure and that the integration is fully functional. Once the authorization is done, those newly created credentials will be established in n8n, and you'll be all set to start facilitating actions within your workflows, such as sending or receiving emails through Outlook automatically. Make sure to test this setup with a simple task, like sending a test email, to confirm everything is connected and working correctly. And there you have it, a straightforward setup to connect n8n Local with Microsoft Outlook. By following these steps, you've now laid the groundwork for automating your email tasks efficiently. With this integration, handling emails becomes a breeze, freeing up time for more critical tasks. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in your workflow, and remember, with n8n, the possibilities for automation are practically limitless.